Hello everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome to another RAMShard tutorial. Have you just bought your domain but have no idea how to get started? Well, today I'll be showing you how to easily set up your domain. First, you want to head to your client area and then click into the domain section. Now you should see a list of your domains. Click into the white space next to the domain. Once on the domains management page, you should see a sidebar to the left. To change the domain records, click the option named DNS Management. On that page, you will see a list of 3 records by default. The third one is an empty record, which you will set up the new record to connect to your server. The type of record you want to use is an A record. Now there are 2 options you can do. You can either make it the root domain by using the @ symbol, or you can make it a subdomain by naming the domain something like play or MC. If you do the root domain, you would just use the regular domain to connect to your server. If you did a subdomain, you would use something like play.yourdomain.net to connect to your server. Once you make your changes, click Save Changes. Though if you want to go back and delete a record, just remove all the text from each box and then click Save. And that is how you easily make changes to your domain to connect to your Minecraft server that you have purchased with us. Now if this has helped, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. And remember, you can always send us a message on our live chat for any further help.